Shiba Inu Coin is trying its best. Guys, Shiba Inu Coin sitting right here at 2,400 points per coin this morning. Bouncing back just a little bit off of the recent lows. 2438 to be exact. But we are following Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is struggling to get above that $99,000 level. We've been rejected off of it about 3 times now, and investors are gearing up, hopefully, for a very exciting holiday season, as opposed to a very stagnant and slow holiday season. We're going to be talking about some Shiba Inu Coin technical levels, the support, the resistance, what we can expect next, because guys, this is a very crucial moment. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Shiba Inu Coin's price on the chart. We're going to briefly go over the 5-minute bars here, and then we're going to jump into the daily bars so that you can see we are still trying to break out of that bull flag pattern. But first, if you guys have not been going out there and loading up on some of these smaller meme coins, you can see this guy jumped in 250 bucks an hour ago, 46 bucks, 501, $27, 252, $26, $3. You know, it doesn't take you, you don't have to go out there and break the bank in some of these new meme coins, but you've got an excellent opportunity for huge gains in Pepe meme. Let me just show you. $24, like some of those guys are jumping in with, could turn into $351 on launch day. $246, $3,500, and of course $2,500 would turn into roughly $35,000 on launch day. How do you get it? What is it? And so on. It is very easy. They've got a tutorial on how to buy if you need to watch a tutorial there, but you can very simply join the 1,023 holders of Pepe meme already. Grab shrimp status, fish status, dolphin status, whale status to get a bonus there, and you can buy with literally any cryptocurrency in your portfolio. If you come in, grab 10 Solana worth, that's roughly $2,300 right now, $21,000 on launch day. These guys are building an entire ecosystem surrounding Pepe. Web3 games. They've got Telegram games that already have 31 million players. Staking. The roadmap is well written out. Pepe's launchpad, where you can hit new meme coins and make new meme coins with just a few clicks of a button. The contract address is available for you guys to see. They've got a lot of support out on X, and you guys can scroll through all of that if you would like. But check this out, man. 500,000 followers. 535,200 followers out on X. So at least jump in, follow their X account, see what they're up to, and hopefully make a ton of money along the way. But guys, I want to talk about Shiba Inu Coin skyrocketing, invalidated. Now, that doesn't mean that Shiba Inu Coin is not going to be able to move higher. Absolutely not. I do believe Shiba Inu Coin is going to move much higher. But right now, as Bitcoin tests 99,000, gets rejected. Shiba Inu Coin is testing resistance around 2,800 points per coin, getting rejected. We are still maintaining crucial levels of support, though. It says, with a significant 13% decline in the last day, Shiba Inu Coin seems to have lost its recent vigor. A strong rally that gave investors hope for the long-term gains preceded this correction. Nevertheless, the current state of affairs indicate that market players, whales in particular, are becoming less willing to support Shiba Inu Coin at its higher levels. A sudden drop in buying pressure is reflected in the price's sharp decline, as large holders probably took profits following SHIB's notable upward movement. The apparent drop in trading volume demonstrates this behavior and raises the probability or possibility that its fervor that drove the rally is waning. A bearish descending triangle, which frequently portends more declines, is also where SHIB is currently consolidating. I actually think this is very funny, guys. So, you know, they're pointing to this bearish triangle right here, this descending triangle. This is the exact triangle that we are looking at in terms of the bull flag pattern. So if you come out to the daily chart, we got to fix this up a little bit. If you come out to the daily chart here, you can see that Shiba Inu Coin just rocketed higher, moving from about 1,500 points per coin to 3,000 points per coin. And then it's got a descending wedge. Now, this is a bull flag. This is a bullish pattern on a positive breakout. They're saying, because they just want to write it the opposite way, that this is a bearish descending triangle, which frequently leads to more declines. So it is very funny how some people can look at things with an optimistic outlook and others look at the exact same pattern with a pessimistic outlook. I believe that Shiba Inu Coin's price action is going to be heavily dependent on Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is pulling back a little bit off that $99,000 level because, of course, we've discussed this before. It's not going to be easy just to rip through a severely and emotionally significant level of $100,000 Bitcoin. It's going to be historic when it does happen. It's going to be all over the news when it does happen. And traders, of course, are trying to time it just slightly before it happens and getting out at 99,000, 99,700, I believe we hit, 98,000. They're putting their take profits on there so that they can exit slightly before the very large level of resistance. Now, support is holding up at 2,300 points per coin on Shiba Inu Coin, and that is an excellent sign of strength. It does need a break above 2,700, I believe 2,800, which is presently a significant resistance level in order to resume its upward trend. Now, if we look at it, Shiba Inu Coin has had trouble in this area right here, around 2,790, so I'm going to call it 2,800 points per coin. Tapping it, when was this? November 11th, getting rejected. Tapping it again 3 days ago, getting rejected. But every time that we get rejected, we very, very well hold up support at this 2,300 point per coin level. Today, we're going to be following Bitcoin. If Bitcoin decides to rebound and go back up and regain support at 95,000, as opposed to the 93, 94,000 that it's vacillating between right now, we get a very strong day for Shiba Inu Coin. But typically, the week of Thanksgiving, you see less volume. Traders are going home, investors, institutions, they're closing up shop for the week, and there's very low volume that takes place the week of Thanksgiving. This could lead to a very positive sign, though. If there's low selling pressure, but people get very excited on Thanksgiving, telling their friends, telling their family about Shiba Inu Coin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market and how it's going to be so great and how they can make so much money, and they actually buy in, it's going to be, I guess, it's not going to be met with the same level of selling pressure. Therefore, every buy is going to be worth much more because it could be a net inflow as opposed to being erased by selling pressure. Now, with that being said, if you guys are interested in buying, or if you're interested in telling your friends and family about Shiba Inu Coin, there's a link in the description below for the KSEC centralized exchange. Not only do they make it very easy to grab any cryptocurrency you want, big names, XRP, and so on, all of the meme coins you guys could ever want here, you can grab on leverage as well. You can get Shiba Inu Coin on up to 100x leverage. It is a very risky, high risk, high reward play there. A 1% gain in Shiba Inu Coin, you're doubling your money. A 1% loss in Shiba Inu Coin, you get liquidated. So please be very careful, you guys, if you guys are playing on leverage there. But that is available for anybody who has not been accumulating and wants to take advantage of this bull market rip before it really turns into something like we saw in 2021 and 2017. Let me know what you guys got going on down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.